Today, I'm gonna show you how to make this A-line skirt with pocket. Before you cut the fabric, make sure you fold the fabric once, because this pattern is just a quarter size of your measurement. This pocket positioning is very crucial. Back piece and front piece has to be matched later. You put right side together and sew just the pocket part. Leave the pockets out like that, and back piece and front piece, you put them right side together and make sure the alignment is all good and matched. This is very important. Make sure do not sew pocket openings from top down. Whenever you hit the pocket, sew around the pocket, then sew down. Do not sew pocket openings. I use 1 inch wide elastic, so 1.25 inches height, and make sure you leave the opening for elastic. Now you put the elastic in. I usually make a mark so that you don't really have to worry that the elastic is twisted. Once you put it through, both ends, sew them together. Also, you close the opening. Lastly, you hem the bottom. That's about it. Enjoy!